Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. And as you know, they had a sale yesterday, Sunday. I didn't go. I was just too tired this weekend. I traveled all this week, and I really didn't feel like going shopping. Can you imagine? And I didn't feel like going hustle bustle. And barely went today, but I did go. I only went to one, and I have 8 stores. I only went to one of them, but I did get some nice stuff. So I'm gonna just jump right in and show you, and I read out the SKU numbers. And if you want to call that number the project hotline and find out if they have that in your area, you can. Sometimes they do have the same number or more than one item, so unfortunately it may not match. But I also have pictures of a whole bunch of other stuff that should be up on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, of items that I did not get, but I know people may be interested in it, so I took pictures and put the SKUs up there. So this is a Dear Lizzy 3-piece stamp set for $3.99. And let me see if I can read it for you. One says, thank you very much. Another one says, you've got mail. And that's why I really got it for that one. It has a little stamp of a mail and the post thing right there. And then the other one says, oh, hello. So anyway, these Dear Lizzy stamps was $3.99, and it's 1932764. So they're nice size wood block. So weight on them. I got this Carpe Diem. This goes with the Faith paper line that I already have that I want to make mini albums out of. These are epoxy metal clips, $1.99, and the number is 1958671. So this is Monday night that I'm filming this. Depending on how my internet acts, it'll be up whenever it can get up. But anyway, and I've got to take something back, so I will check out another Tuesday morning. This is Inkadinkado. And it's an 11-piece stamp set. And I like it because it's inspire, love, hope, and dream, as well as a flourish with it. I think a lot of different sentiments that you can use, different occasions, sympathy, Mother's Day, thank you, all kinds of different stuff. Anyway, it was $3.99, and it's 1967249. Picked up some more embossing photos. No, I didn't need any, but This is the Maggie Holmes embossing photo for 99¢, and this one goes with the it's the open book. So nice flourish one, and I believe this is a 4x6. I don't know. It's probably A2, 4¼ by 5½. Trying to see if it's the same as the other one. So the looks, yeah, so I'm thinking it's 4¼ or A2. So anyway, the number on this one is 1929998. Regular price is $5. So again, that's the Maggie Holmes. That's the first time I've seen Maggie Holmes embossing folders. And as you know, Project Life stuff has really been on sale. AC Moore's has been cleaning all their stuff out. And so, if they've off and on this year have had some Project Life stuff in TM as well. I got these because these are the Project Life size embossing folders, a 2-pack for $1.99. This one is called Playful, and it's 1929999. And actually, you know what? All of them have the same number, so that's not going to help you. You're going to actually have to go to your store if you want to, because I've got 3 different sets, and they all have the same number. So sorry. I just realized that I was reading. So again, it's 1929999. So you just have to take your chance, and it may be different. And there may be some styles that I don't even have. But anyway, so it's 2 embossing folders. One's is a 3x4 and the other's a 4x6. I really don't have embossing folders this size. But these are great for your own embossing to make your Project Life cards. But your Project Life cards are not limited to just being in Project Life. You can also use them as card fronts. You can also use them and different things. You can cut this down for an ATC background. You can use it as a card background, as well as a layered part on top of a card. So there's different things that you can use these for. So don't let it limit you because it says Project Life. You don't do Project Life. You can still use this in other parts of your scrapbooking. I would also use these as inserts in mini albums, because these are nice pocket tag size as well. So just to give you some ideas of ways you can use that instead of just thinking, oh, I don't use Project Life, I can't use that embossing folder. Yeah, you still can. So in any kind of die cut, that's about that size, a 3x4, 4x6, you can use it on as well. So the next one I got is called High Five. So that's those 2 right there. I think I showed you the back on that one. So that's what those 2 look like, tags kind of thing. And this one, you got random symbols that you would think about. They'll probably be in your planner. So this would be a neat one that you can use in your planner because you got your ampersand, your @ sign, your camera, hearts, question marks, excuse my nails, exclamation points, locations, different stuff like this. So different reasons why you can do that, and you can even cut them up and do it for different things. And then the last one is called Baby Boy. Again, same SKU number, so stars and stripes. And along with that, they had the Project Life, $3.99. So this is a good alternative for a couple different reasons. Okay, this is a border punch as well, but it's also the square holes that you could use to punch out. I have a cinch, but if you don't want to use a cinch, you can use this. If you want to use this for your planner, to make a planner, you could use this punch as well. So this is a cheap alternative for somebody else who's looking for the We Are Memory Keepers one, or if you have a cinch and you're trying to do something faster or bind it all or anything like that. So just a couple of things, or just a border strip, or if you're just trying to make a paper one look, or even if you were trying to do well, you have 4 cuts. I was going to say you could probably even use this on a Rolodex, but you might have too many cuts. But anyway, this is $3.99, and the number is 1964017. So that is how they use it. So if you're making your own, you can make your own calendar, own books, different things like that. So just to give you some ideas of what you can do with that. I'm bumping into everything. Sorry. The next Project Life one, and I'm sure you've seen this one. I know they have this in Michael's for $20. This is the 4x6 and the 3x4. And the accessories is an 8-piece die set. I need to check and make sure I don't have this, because as I'm looking at it, I'm thinking I may have brought this. I don't know. Anyways, $4.99, and the number is 1929992. So again, this helps you cut your own Project Life cards. The other thing is, if you just want 4x6, you can use this one in the background, that 4x6 or the 3x4, just to cut out pictures to fit on your scrapbook layouts. So it doesn't have to be just to make Project Life cards. It could be a quick cut if you want to cut and use it on to frame your pictures or where you want to cut them at, and cut them out as well. Now on to some of the other dies. Get these big ones out the way first. They had a lot of the dies. Of course, some of them I already had or didn't want. I did get this strip punch file tab by We Are Memory Keepers, and it's $4.99. So all of these, I believe, yeah, everything I'm going to show you now, the same price. They are all $4.99, all the dies. So this border strip die, it is a 1-piece die, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It cuts out 5 pieces of the tabs, and of course the tabs are great to be used in anything like your planners. You can use this on tags, different things like that. The number is 1929994. Again, okay, they do have different numbers, but I'm looking, okay, this is gonna get kind of wonky because these 3 have the same number on it. These, okay, so you know what, yeah, so let me just show you this. I'm just looking at this now. These 3 have the same number, okay? I can't do anything about that, so you're going to have to actually go to your Tuesday morning and check. So, yeah. So, again, this is 1929994. That's that one. This has the same exact number, 1929994, 10-piece set. And so does this one. So, again, if you look them up, they're going to have the same exact number, but they're going to be different dies. So really, at this point with these dies, you might as well just go to your Tuesday morning and see what they have, because if they have the same numbers, you're not going to know what you have. Same with the embossing folders. You're not going to know if they have what you like or don't like. So in certain situations like that, I don't stress about trying to match up a number. I just go to the store and see what they got. It's actually easier sometimes just to go look than to worry about the numbers. But if you live, sometimes I know it can be challenging, but when the numbers are all the same, it's not going to really help you unless you go to the store. Unless they tell you they don't have any at all, then, wasn't worth your trip. So anyway, this die stamp, We Are Memory Keepers, is called Noted. It's a 10-piece set. I liked it because of the words and the stamp. So it says, today, details noted, captured, and story. So it comes with the stamps. That's the font. And there are the dies. Sorry about the glare. So I like that. So this is another word set. Same price. Same amount of pieces. 10-piece. Explorer, epic, moments, life, and document. And of course, these are kind of the scrapbook words, journaling words that you can put on a card front. But you can use it for anything. And again, that's what it looks like. There's the stamps and there's the dies. So versatile. Use them separate or in combination together. This is the scallop square punch. Now these dies I'm going to show you now all have a different SKU, but they're all the same. This one is 1929991. So that last one on those ones I just showed you, the last digit was 4. The last digit on all of these is 1. So this is a life cuts, quick cuts die, and it's a 4-piece. And these are just basically scallop squares. Now it comes with this strip and this strip, and then these 2 individual pieces. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 8, 9. Probably like 10 on this one and 7 on that one. And then there's individual. If you don't want to make a strip, you just want to make an individual one, but you can layer them. I kind of like this one because this makes me think of a postal stamp, but I also like the fact that you can layer it. So, but it gives you the opportunity to use a strip so you can get quite a few at one passing. This set, I don't know why this big sticker is up here. It says quantity 2. So at first I thought something was missing because it says the 3-piece happy birthday cupcake liner, and all the 3 pieces in there because it shows the wrap, the 2 stars, and the candle. And so the 2 stars in the candle and the wrap, and it's 3 pieces. So I'm not sure what's missing. It doesn't look like it was opened. So everything in here, so I don't know what that is. Maybe they had 2 at that store, but I don't know what they had at the store. So of course this is the wonky nesting frame 14, and same SKU number. But anyway, so you can see all the nesting. These are great for making tags, but you can also, you know, I was looking at like a page. You can make different stuff with this. So just had to think out the box. But nesting dies are pretty cool to have. So that's the size. You get a really nice big size, and it's 11 pieces. So anytime you can get some nesting dies, they're good to have in your stash, even though you don't think about it. But whenever you're doing something, you want to have the outline. It's really great to have that layering on cards, backgrounds, picture frames for layouts. And this is, I already have this, so this is not for me. I got this a while back, but this is the banner one, party banners. And if you don't have this one, this one's a great one too. This is a 6-piece set, and it looks just like that. So that's the biggest, all the way down to the smallest. So you really got some nice stuff you can do with that. So that is my haul. And if I go to any more TMs, of course I will show you what I got. So anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing and watching. And I dare you to be creative. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.